morning, everyone. I, Khushi Gupta, on behalf of BCIPS, welcome you all to the workshop on tips for successful idea generation. We are so pleased to be with you today and to have the chance to introduce our guest speaker. Today, we have Dr. Rajiv Johri, Associate Professor in Management at ITS College, Ghaziabad. He is leading a business incubation center at ITS School of Management, which is approved by Ministry of MSME Government of India. He is the core member of National Innovation Startup Policy Framework document under the guidelines of Ministry of Education, Government of India. He deals with the idea creation and implementation at ground level. He trains students at every level from idea submission to functionality from beneficiary point of view. He guides students in the area of research and innovation in different domains as per their interests and strengths. He supports student entrepreneurship through corporate relation and expertise in industry uh, as in prototyping, registration, IPR. He provides training and workshop on startups, innovation, entrepreneurship, design thinking, etc. in collaboration with SIRF and other prestigious chapters of industry. Overall, he has wide experience in the area of entrepreneurship and innovation. He collaborates with industrial and ministerial bodies with support in financial aspect. He is associated with all the functional bodies of MSI cell of Ministry of Education. We welcome you, sir. Without a further ado, I now request Dr. Rajiv Johri, sir, to lead the workshop.
Thank you very much. And first of all, I would like to give in this opportunity to thank you very much to our colleagues and Professor Suniti, and who has given the opportunity for the discussion and interaction on the session of tips for successful idea and certification with IIC Innovation and Mentor. I think before going to in detail, I would like to discuss basic information regarding IIC cell at ITS College Ghaziabad and what is the concept regarding some idea submission and how we can achieve a successful and good idea regarding for the implementation in society and for the beneficiary. So can I just a minute for sharing with the PPTs with you? Please a moment. How can I share? Is it visible? No.
No, sir.
Okay.
We have to remove the banner and then you can share.
Pardon?
Bharat, remove the banner, bacha.
What is the problem? Right. Is it possible? Now, is it visible or no?
So it's not visible. There would be a present now option below. Now it is visible.
Okay. So I think just a minute. It's okay, fine. It's okay.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tips for successful idea generation with IC Innovation and Master. Today's topic I think this is an idea submission. Do you know how we have to generate the idea and how we have to implement this idea for society and which location and beneficiary point of view? Whenever we have to think about the society, so we have to just concern the issue in society. We have to find out the problem of the society at every level of the society. Not is concerned the lower class, middle class, and upper class, or it is not concerned age wise or sector wise or gender wise or income wise and so on. So whenever we have to create something new in the sense ki what we are thinking process. Okay, so thinking process is based on something curiosity in the mind, and you see different ideas are going on in a different domain, different sector of the economy, but we have to focus on that, means ki how we have to implement this idea. So my dear friends, this is the 5 I's. 5 I's is concerned the idea. Idea is just like conceptual thinking. What are you thinking about that particular issue regarding particular good or product or services which is going on? So we have to focus on 2 aspects. One aspect is that means existing, and second thing uniqueness. So okay, that means something new regarding for the good or maybe service or maybe product, maybe software, maybe design, and so on. So idea is concerned ki this is your concept, and which concept can be created by you in terms of the idea, or idea may be a conceptual thinking and what we have to focus on that particular reason wise, maybe some product wise. Second thing, information. Whenever we have no information regarding that particular a product, regarding some ministry, regarding such domain, some sectors, some service, some anything. So that means whenever we have no information what is going on right now, and what we have to focus what future prospects regarding beneficiary. But because as you see, I think whenever we have to find the problem, but we have no solution, it doesn't mean what we have to do something for better tomorrow. Okay, so we have to find out the problem of the society, and problem it can be concerned with the beneficiary point of views. Not concerned the one area, two area, rural, urban, not is concerned. It means who will be the user of the product. Suppose when we have to introduce new product in the market, it means we have to find out who will be the user of this product. Okay, so that's why the information regarding the community, regarding the location, regarding the area, regarding the design, regarding the sample, and so on. So how we have to concern conceptual idea in forms of the product or a service with the huge information in society, which is going on in current scenario of the India or current scenario of the society, or maybe some beneficiary. Second thing is investigation. When we have to export something new, investigation is concerned when we have to creating something, but when we have no data, we have no information, when we have no some evidence, because the evidence is concerned that is in the inferior defense. Evidence concerned your proof, and we have no evidence regarding some proof myself I am Rajiv Johari. Yes, suppose you are Sachin Kumar. So Sachin Kumar identified that should be given you proof as a certificate of the Sachin Kumar, right? So that can be possible without evidence, without any information, that should be relevant for the society. Whenever we have information and information is not up to the mark, or information is not updated for the society, it means how can we implement for society. So that means we have 2 aspects. One, that means we have to find out the problem. Second thing, we have to provide the solution. Okay, so it means problem and solution, this is a combo of idea submission. Okay, second thing, how we have to deliver this solution. Society will accept it or not. If society will not accept, then what will you do? So you should be focus on the plan B, plan C, plan D. When a plan A will be failed, so we have to put up the second plan B. When we have the plan B failed, then we have to put up the plan C. So that means this is a continuous process. We have to focus at a time 1, 2, 3, 4 plans. 1, 2, 3, 4 ideas. So whenever we have to say suppose whenever idea 1 will be failed, so we have to introduce a second idea, okay, in front of the society. And second thing, whenever I am confident my product can be using by that particular class, that particular beneficiary. So that means we have to focus on that. Hamara purpose kya hai. Second of innovation. Innovation is based on 2 aspects. One aspect is concerned uniqueness. Second is your newness. Uniqueness is concerned that is current scenario. We have to find out something new aspect, new technology, new machine, new product, new software, new apps. So that can be possibility uniqueness. Something is different than others. You can say कि my product, my delivery, my services, my apps, my software are different than others. So we have to add on something new, one feature, or we have to change something design. We have to change, suppose, color. We have to change shape. So that can may become a possible the innovation. So whenever we have to introduce something new aspects regarding design thinking, regarding our color, regarding our shape, and so on, so that may become a part of the uniqueness, and uniqueness will be the part of the innovation. Similarly, which product is going on, that means existing scenario, when we see at present is going on, so we have to pick up the same product and we have to add on, that is value addition, or maybe some modification, or maybe something new shape, new structure, or new delivery. So that means that can be also part of the innovation, because we have to change something in terms of the modification. Modification can be required. Maybe you see that this is the interest or this is the taste of the society. And you see right now we can say the online market, या car देखो, Jaka.com, okay, Swiggy, okay, Zomato. So these are the basically new entrants in the market, new startup. So how we have to capture the market, and that can be idea, and idea can be captured by the Ola and Uber and so on. So that means that can become a startup. But this is a fact. कि 95% or maybe 90% startups totally failure. Reason only one, that means कि whenever we have no another idea, whenever we have no any other policies, any documentation, any plan B, plan C, plan D, it means कि we are totally failure. So that means your innovation is concerned something uniqueness and newness. Newness is concerned we have to deliver in the new shape, new design, new color. So that can be part of the innovation. Uniqueness, suppose that it can be possible something first time introducer. Okay, you are introducing first time, so that may become a uniqueness, that is original, and original may be part of the research analysis. Implementation and common solution.
मैं अपने घर में पता क्या कर रहा हूँ, आप एक बार सुनो, क्या सोच रहा हूँ, बड़ा कुछ कैमरे में क्या किया जाता है उसको देखो, वहाँ पे होता है कि सांप ऐसे लगा दिया.
Hello. Yeah, any doubt? Any problem?
No, sir, you can proceed.
Okay. So implementing, this is the last I, and the last I, it can be possible without any discussion with the our colleagues. Okay. Whenever we have something, I think a new idea, then you can discuss with your mentor. You can discuss with your senior in the sense or maybe some innovators, maybe some incubators. So that can be possible without implementation. You have to discuss so many things with our colleagues, with our friends. That's useless exercise, because then you will discuss somebody else. So that can be possible your idea can be captured by somebody else. Okay, so that can be possible in present in a different way by your idea. So that should be clear. Implementation the last I. Whenever all I's are clear, then last I will be implemented. Implementation means suppose where we have to apply. That will be a location. Location is concerned with suppose society, your metro city, or maybe your urban city, or maybe some rural areas, and so on. So implementation is the last word, and implementation is the last processing of your idea, where we have to applicability. Okay, and for this society is concerned. So implementation is the last concept, and before implementation, you should be clear and should be strong with your all I's, I4. That means the idea, information, investigation, innovation. Okay. Again, your ideation, the process of the idea, that will be known as ideation. Ideation is concerned, suppose how we have to deliver this idea and how we have to analyze this idea. Okay, whenever we have idea, and idea can be fruitful, idea can be harmful, idea can be useful, for which, for whom, why, where, how. Okay, so idea, that can be processing of the idea, and ideation is concerned, the process of the idea is concerned. So Warren Buffett says that today's successful companies live and die according to the quality of their ideas. So the basic phenomena of the idea is concerned your idea label, your label of the idea. Your idea of label is concerned 3 stage, 4 stage, and final stage. Okay, or maybe in initial stage. So according to the Peter Drucker, innovation is a specific instrument of entrepreneurs, the means by which they exploit change as an opportunity for a different business. The same thing is here, and you see different companies are over here, Hyundai हो गया, and Hero Honda, Hero, and Maruti Suzuki, and different companies are working, and different companies are working the same product. That means so four-wheeler car is delivered by somebody else, maybe your X, Y, and Z, in different manners, in different technology, in different features, in different colors, different size. So that can be possible ki X is as X better than Y, and Y is better than Z, and Z is better than M. So that means ki X, Y, Z, M. It means ki all are delivering the car, but in different shapes, different colors, and different design. Okay, and after 6 months, every company will change the design, this model, the shape, and technology. And you see ki Kia car introduces the new car introduced in the Indian market. So how we have to beat this car? You see ki Hyundai car या Hero Honda car या सब जो भी है Hero car या जो भी है, so that we can possibility means how we have to different in others. So whenever we have no new technology, whenever we have no new features, no value addition, it means your product can be failed. So product can be failed. Before that failing the product, we have to explore something new aspects of the engineering. We have to think again as per the manufacturing processing. See what we have to inbuild in particular reasons why. And you see the diesel and petrol, right? Right now we can say CNG and LPG and so on. Electric cars also are in Indian market. So that means ki whenever diesel and petrol and CNG and LPG, now we have to introduce new car, that is electric vehicles. Okay, because the prices are increasing day by day in Indian market. So we have to focus on that ki new segment or new instrument or maybe new technology. So the thinking is that means ki this is a business part. Everybody is doing business. Business can be success or not. It will be depends on the structure of the idea. It can be based on the sub processing of the idea. How we have to concern with that. So why which they exploit change as an opportunity for a different business. Again, now do a business idea. What is business idea? Business idea means suppose if you are guys of the PG and UG. So this is not even a restriction key. You can't become a entrepreneur. No, you may become an entrepreneur. Okay, so that means everybody thinks. Again and again, something new aspect. Somebody thinking about the new color. Somebody thinking about something new technology. Something I think a manufacturing, processing of the delivery, and so on. So everybody is thinking in different manners, in different ways. But the problem is that nobody bother for that. Okay, so very few percentage of the thinkers, I think 4 to 5% persons are thinkers, and they may become a entrepreneur, they may become a researcher, and so on. So that means the percentage of the researcher, percentage of the innovators will not be increased. Very fast. It can be changed very slowly. I think so it will take some time, because whenever you have some idea, an idea can be sketch on paper. How we have to deliver this idea. Okay, so that means ki sketching is part of your idea will be known as prototype. So what prototype can be considered for your design, for a structure of your idea? How it looks like. Suppose regarding something grip of the hand. Suppose mobile phone of the mobile phone grips, it can be captured by you, so in your hands. So your gripping of your hands can be easy for mobile phone or not. So the size and width and depth and length, all parameters are concerned with your product, as in a mobile sector. Suppose usually in reality, you generate a bunch of ideas. You see and evaluate them. So then you see I have one idea. Somebody says I have one idea, and somebody says I have one idea. That is a lump sum 20-30 ideas. Okay, and everybody has idea. So everybody have idea. Suppose one idea can be fruitful or not, it cannot be considered. So that means out of 30 and out of 20 and out of 20 idea, and 1 and 2 idea can be clicked. So that can be possible before the implementation, and we have before the delivering of the idea, before the prototype of the idea, you just imagine what is the analysis of that idea. How can you analyze this idea? Okay, so that means the evaluation yourself. Suppose evaluate that can be fruitful for that particular reason, that society. So evaluate them with the underlying hope that at least some of them would have some business potential. You see, I think before location and some society and location and so on. So that means where is the potential of the customers? Potential customers are over here or not? as per your idea is concerned. The potential of the customers is concerned, suppose rural area and urban areas. And just imagine कि ये खाता आपका ये कि ये खाते रहो .com. तो खाते रहो .com, just click in my mind and just कि ये throw the idea in front of you. So just pick up this idea and think कि how we have to implement this idea, खाते रहो.com. The same parallel of the Zomato and Swiggy and so on. So खाते रहो.com, similarly Jaika.com. So Jaika.com, you see, these are food industry. Food industry means suppose ki how we have to implement this idea in food industry. And so many players are at present in Indian market. So how we have to compete to each other. So that the thing is that we have to add on something, one feature or two features. And the way of the delivery patterns, how we have to change the delivery patterns in society. So that's why your product can be successful. Successful behind the, your idea is concerned, your evaluation, your analysis. Okay, so that means your business potential, where you can do business, where you can do, this idea can be implement for, which class. You see, Cadbury chocolates, Nestle chocolates. Okay, so every flavor and every dark chocolates and black chocolate, and you multi chocolates, and every chocolate will not be considered only for specific one class or two class, right? So the similarly, one company thinks again and again, this product, this variant can be useful for this class. So that can be segmented by that company. Suppose we have to classify into 3-4 forms. Suppose this product can be useful for, suppose 9 to 15 age of the kids. Okay, again 15 to 20, this is a product specific for that particular, that age, that age factor. So similarly, we have to focus on the age and class and gender and incomes and so on. Similarly, one chocolate can be delivered by somebody else, maybe your Nestle and Cadbury for 70 plus. So 70 plus chocolate percent of the demand will not be increased because a person will not like to take chocolates, because at the age of the 75 or 70, there are so many problems created by some diseases over there. So, okay, so according to diseases, somebody says a diabetic, somebody is a heart patient, somebody is a bypass surgery, and so on. So different diseases are over there. It means that your product cannot be successful at the age of the 75. So Cadbury and Nestle will never consider in terms of the chocolate at the age of the 75 or 70. Okay, if is it possible, so that can be possible that the very low percentage of the demand can be considered like your 15 to 20% only, maximum. Otherwise 10 to 15% possible, maybe it can be successful. So the successful rate will decide as per your delivery, as per before thinking you're introducing your idea. Whenever we have no idea, but whenever we have idea, but we will not consider on that thing. So how we could deliver this thing? So you choose the one that seemed the most promising and carry out the plan to convert it into a successful business. So that can be positive success rate, and success rate will decide your successful idea. And your idea, whenever your idea will be successful, right now before 2 days, you see the Paytm. So Paytm and you see the Zomato and already right now big players in the Indian market. So before that means according to Paytm, PhonePe are already working. So that are different apps are over here. And second suggestion for you, as per MSME guidelines, I think they would not like to discuss with you software apps. Suppose so you have to introduce something instrument, something tool, and something product like that. So you have to introduce something newness, or you can introduce something, a new product or some services, but not focusing on the software or something apps, because I think they will not consider very seriously in this matter. Okay, as he has suggested to me, suppose you have to focus on that type of the ideas it concerned. Suppose agriculture sector. Right now, agriculture sector is very, very top, very highlighted over here. So on the different side of the union and movements and the government and so on. So how we have to deliver something solution to the farmers. Okay, so you can think again something. This is a new area, and here is no, I think no advanced work over here. Maybe. So here is scope of agriculture sector where we have to do work, where we can do work as a startup. Okay, so agriculture, farming and cropping patterns and yields and financial and insurance and different aspect. So UPC की I think the देखो insurance देखो. So देखो insurance देखो means आपका या insurance देखो So that means insurance देखो today's newspaper ad. So that can be possibly one idea. Okay. So successful business that will deciding as per your delivery of the idea. Now D बोलो 6 thinking heads. Everybody मैंने भी आपको बताया कि that means कि everybody is thinking in different ways at every moment. So we have 6 heads: white heads, red head, black head, yellow, green, and blue. White head means suppose facts and figures. Okay. मैंने अभी जैसे आपको मैंने स्टार्ट में 5 eyes बताया था. Similarly, 6 heads is concerned what we have suppose in terms of the information regarding some facts, some figures, some information. Okay, needs and gaps, database to build or refute an argument. So without, I think, without information, without any content, without any, I think, facts and figures, you cannot, I think, argue with somebody else. Okay, so that means key for argument is concerned, you should have something right figures, and figures should be relevant. If figures will not be relevant, there is no sense of a discussion of the particular topic, that particular idea is concerned. Okay, so that means कि whenever we have no information, वही मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मतलब information is must. Information is must and should be relevant. If information should not be will not be relevant, there is no scope for further implementation of the idea. Okay, so Whitehead just imagine कि what we are going on. Suppose, okay, and what we have in current scenario. So just imagine I'm just giving you example of the agriculture sector, insurance sectors, pharma sectors. Okay, so that these areas are concerned where government are focusing. I mean, focusing on that. Is focusing on that. How we have to deliver the vaccine, how we have to deliver the mask and sanitizer and so on. And last 1.5 years, you have, I think you have to just explore the thing. How have to change the scenario of the business. Okay, from A to B and B to C. So that is a transformation phase. Transformation phase whenever we have to change something as per the as per the requirement of the market current. So currently requirement, and we should focus on that. How we have to deliver this thing. So right now we can say the small, small players are working on the, mask and sanitizer and different aspect, medical tools and health worker and so on. So that can be possible within a 1.5 hour, and before that there was no scope. So that it means scope can be considered for thinking, that is a forecasting. Okay, and whenever you have to think as per the future prospects, what will be done. Okay, what can be done for society in future after 20 years, after 30 years, after 5 years, after 3 years, after 1 year. So that means a thinking process, and thinking process should be done by you as per the facts and figures. So that is a white head. Next, similarly, red head, that means intuition. Intuition, whenever we have no curiosity, whenever we have no intention, whenever we have no feelings, emotions. Okay, so that can be, there's no use. You see different, I think website are working, different products are going on. आपको याद होगा, I think Johnson and Johnson and Peers, that means very old, I think old product, and still are going on. So reason only one, that he trust on Johnson and Johnson, that is baby soap, baby materials. Why not another one? So thinking that industry is focusing, I think our industry has no time to, and you have no time to discuss, to explore something new. So Johnson and Johnson is popular in Indian market regarding small kids or baby soap, maybe baby lotion. So that means Johnson and Johnson is so popular, but other was not popular. So that means you can think again something for that particular, that particular product. Again, so that can be some emotional feelings regarding some, we have no feelings. So the concern is that means this is a red head. Intuition, feelings and emotions. Feelings should be genuine, but logic should be questionable. You see Mr. Bean. So Mr. Bean expressed the feelings and emotions. And you see he never laughed. Okay? And he never laughed, but I think he laughing to others. So sochiye uska facial expression is different than how can we deliver these things? So that means something, some jokes, some poetry, some wording, some statement, some logic, some reason, and so on. So that should be, I think, logical thinking with some feelings and emotions. So that should be questionable. That should be some consider for the starter. Next आपका black hat, that means your valuable judgment. Valuable judgment and caution, it is used to logically point out. And starting, I stress only 2 points. One is problem, second is solution. Whenever we have problems, but not logical solution, there is no sense of your idea. So that means ki black hat is concerned ki thinking beyond, I mean valuable judgment means an evaluation analysis part. So valuable judgment and caution, it is used to logically point out how we have to, provide the solution, how we have to provide the different aspects of society. I can't say ki suppose my product can be used only for that class. So that means ki we are not focusing on the second and third class, right? Similarly, Audi car is available in the market, but the depend on the Audi car is concerned, or maybe demand of the Audi car is hardly 5 to 10% maximum. Otherwise, जो medium car है, that is की Maruti Suzuki, the maximum share of the Maruti Suzuki is going on. So the reason only one that we have to explore the reason, we have to explore the logic, then we have to provide the solution. Then your idea can be successful. So yellow, then next your yellow, it can be used in looking. Just you see the design, your color, so looking wise forward to the results of some proposed action. Looking wise, size wise, length wise, design wise, and so on. So it can be yellow hat. It can be used in looking forward to the results of some proposed actions. And I think after prototype, we have to deliver some product design. And I think something maybe industry or company, can change, or can change the design after a period of time, suppose 6 months or 1 year. I think example is concerned ki i10. So i10 car, that is a Grand i10. Earlier was i10 and later on Grand i10. So Grand i10 is small than earlier one i10, but the name has changed, Grand i10. So Grand i10 has changed the size, the length, the unity depth, suppose, or breadth of that particular product. So that means ki how we have to deliver this product. So we are delivering with the tag name Grand 10. So Grand 10 just a new model, new segment in place of old one i10. Okay, so that can be looking wise. Similarly, green, that means some creativity and innovation. So green, green economy, green card. So green card just a go ahead. I think before I think innovation, we have 3 I's: idea, information, investigation, and innovation, then implementation. So green hat is concerned just go ahead. Okay, and blue, that means implementation. So creativity and innovation situations, proposals, interesting aspects, provocation, and changes. What can be changed for a particular time period, for a change a minute. So just starting, I just said ki please wait for a moment. I was just changing these PPTs. I was just introducing the PPTs. Okay, so change for a moment, change for a second, change for an hour, change for a year. That may be possible some creativity. So creativity is concerned something, some kid drawing some pic on paper. Okay, some kid is playing the game on mobile phone. Okay, so that can be possible. Maybe something changes. The scenario of the, I think 3+ year or 3+ kid. So 3+ and 5+ kid also is very innovative mind. Innovative mind because he or she plays, plays with mobile phone. And whenever he plays or she plays the mobile phone, it means something is coming in her or his mind. How we have to implement this thing. So there's no instruction by the mother and father, and you see you just you can push this button and that it will be on, and he and she already knows that how we have to operate this system. Okay, similarly, it means suppose curiosity is concerned in our mind, how we have to submit my proposal to society, how we have to deliver this product for society. Okay, so innovation situations, proposals, interesting aspects, provocation, and changes, it can be possible of the green hat. And the next one, and that is a blue, key overview of process control, implementation or subject to apply at a point of time. and already said ki suppose at which location, at which class, okay, and size of the market. So market size, location, and so on. So we have suppose 7 points. Whenever we have to draw a proposal, we have to prepare a proposal regarding such idea submission. So we have some points, and I will discuss with you in detail in later on. So again, that is a pre-selection process for ideas. Uncover your personal traits. Uncover your personal traits. It means ki that is not covering by you. Okay. That means suppose how we have to focus on that. Your processing of the ideas. Pre-selection. You know, the emotions, actions, thinking process, you know, the philosophy and so on. Second, your knowledge and experience. It is not possible that will be complete within a day or two. So we have to focus on again and again. So that means key knowledge and experience will be helpful for you to draw a line, to draw a sketch of the product, and that may possible prototype. The prototype can be useful for you maybe after some time. So it can be possible your prototype and other thing also. And next one, that means your goals and aspirations. Goals means what is your purpose, what are your objectives. And earlier one key, suppose when we have no objective, how we have to deliver and what is my purpose. So when we have lacking this purpose and the beneficiary and location, then it means totally failure. So goals and aspiration. Aspiration is concerned, suppose how we have to aspire the public. Okay, public and do something classes. Again, something sources of business ideas. Key past work experience. If you have no work, there's no need for we have a last experience or not. But generally, whenever we have experience, then we can draw easily. Then we can put up something a new shape, new design, maybe in different models. So past work experience, hobbies and interest. I think whenever I discuss my our own student, I say in which domain you have interest. Okay. So depends on interest, depends on hobbies, depends on you see something like that. Somebody think about somebody may become a good dancer, somebody may become a good artist, somebody may become a good poet. So that means it depends on the culture, your art, your skill, your action. Okay, so somebody's I think thinking in depth. So that means possibly it can become a researcher. Somebody has good skills in orator. Okay, you see, but he and she can't write it. So the same thing, what we have in terms of your creation, art, regarding our skills, regarding our talent, regarding our behavior, regarding our attitude. So it means there's no there's no mean key. I think when we have some skills, then you will do. No, it means it depends on your personal interest, where we have. Okay, so that means what we have, suppose regarding your talent, in your art, your thinking process, your research, your innovation, and so on. So that means if somebody is working, you see back office of the bankers, somebody is working the plan and procedures, schemes, proposals, and so on. So two, offices, back office and front office. Front office, we have to just deposits and receive. Okay, and back office is concerned the policy matters. What we have to draw a proposal or plan or policy or structure or tariff, and so on. The thinking is that is key what we have in terms of different domain, different sectors. So strengths and abilities means key what we can do and for whom we can do and when we can do. So depends on your skills, your thinking process. Key I am a dummy. Suppose I can't do that. No, you can do that. But that you can do that, but you can do on behalf of your skill and talent. If you know that key, this is my strength, then you can decide yourself key what we can do. Okay, better without your knowing your strength, without knowing your ability, and just imagine key I can do that. So it can be impossible. Okay, so that cannot be possible. Key means key without knowing the ability and skills and talent, I just imagine the idea and it can be dropped. No, so it can be interlinked with your curiosity, your intuition, maybe your feelings, and so on. Similarly, friends and family. So friends and family regarding your colleagues, your family members. The first, introducer of your product or your idea is your family member. So family is the first stage of your idea implementation. Okay. So friends and family, friends can be helpful for creating the seed fund. Okay, to generate the seed fund. So I will come later on that points. Basically, we will discuss with you some points how we have to implement this idea. Okay, and what is the requirement and how can we implement for society? It can be discussed later on. Just complete this small PPTs. I think between you, and I would like to interact with you. Basically, कि just I am here to discuss with you your interest. Okay, whenever this is not a one-way process, it should be, I think, both-way process. So interaction is good. Interaction, I think this is a basic requirement for discussion regarding something. Whenever we have to achieve something, then we have to say, suppose the interaction must. Okay, so interaction is concerned regarding your queries, your interest, your domains, and so on. How we have to implement this thing in different aspects as per the requirement of the society. So friends and family distribution channels, ki what we have, and right now we can say ki different platforms, social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so on. So, and distribution channel, different aspect ki that is wholesale and retailers and so on. So that can be different parts. Again, your travels. This is my interest. This is my hobby. Whenever we have, whenever I drive car, suppose on roads, so then I can left and right see which is the signboard is going, which is the key pick, maybe some model. So that just a lecture, something or something interest of the topic is interlinked with my, that means your sightseeing. Sightseeing means suppose sight signboards. Okay, so that can be just I think a current scenario, and that can be interlinked with your content. How we have to interlink this content in terms of the classroom. So that can be possible in travel is very interesting aspect. Whenever we have to travel to whenever one destination to another destination, it is the create something emotion, some feeling, some information, some content over there. And books and magazines, you can do that. I think current trends already discussed with you what is going on and what we have, what we can do even for that particular reasons as per the requirement of the society. Research organization, the website. Okay. And again, something ideation tools and where we have to use these things, brainstorming, and second, your mind gaps. Brainstorming, again, focusing on that, and already starting with you, define the problem. Let's say, already discussed with you some examples, JICA.com, insurance Dekho, khateraho.com. So these are the examples. Okay. So it means ki khateraho.com, that is a continuous process, and this industry will never stop. Okay. And every level of the person, maybe you're 5+, maybe you're 50+, or maybe 70+. Whenever you will be survive of your life, that means the fooding is necessary for you, surviving for your life. So that the thing is that whenever we have to discuss food industry or FMCG sector, then it can be creativity art with your idea submission. So define the problem, the pattern, the delivery patterns, and I think before 2 days, the front page ad on Times of India, front page, and within 15 to 20 minutes, your grocery will be, reach at your doorstep. Okay, it means ki business is shifting from offline to online because it can be created by something lack of time. Okay, and if in your family both are working, so it means suppose we have to place order, and within 50 minutes or 30 minutes, my goods or my delivery will be come over here. So that can be possible ki which type of problem is considered. Okay, which type of problem can be discussed with you with the society, can be addressed by you in at particular platform. So which platform can be useful for the society. So this is the thinking of that particular problem issues. Problem means of course your ideas, your conceptual thinking. Whenever we have conceptual thinking, and conceptual thinking will draw one paper, it can be defined by you ki this is the model, this is the app, this is the structure of my idea submission. So select participants ki who will participant means suppose how many person will be using this will be use this suppose product. Okay, so select a leader, and suppose you if you have 5 friends, and out of 5 friends 1 person may become a leader and 4 person will be subordinate of the leader, right? And somebody has expertise in marketing, somebody expertise in finance, somebody expertise in IT, somebody expertise in suppose HR. You see your starter is complete. So it means ki 1 person may become a leader with subordinates of the 4 members, and that idea can be implemented at the rural areas with the 5 friends support. So that may be possible ki only 5 members, or suppose a small group of the members can deliver or can implement the idea at suppose ground level. How, when, where, it will be depend on your structure, your conceptual thinking. Again, set the stage. Ki stage means suppose decide the location, confirm. Ki suppose a market size very big market. So I will not advise you ki you can start at pan India. So you can my advice concern suppose ki my idea is successful at a rural area. So we can deliver at a point suppose at rural places. Whenever it can be successful at that place, then we can expand another another location. So it can be possible by slowly, step by step. We have planned for 3 years, and every 6 months we have to add on. We have to expand this idea in different domain, different sector. It can be possible. So rules of brainstorming, that is focus on the quantity, not you see ki, somebody is thinking quantity and somebody thinking in quality is concerned. Quality is concerned. Okay. So quantity is concerned, we focus on quantity, how we have to deliver this product in the market. Okay, in terms of the quantity. So you see the advertisement ki buy 1 second is free, buy 1 second is 30% off, 20% off. So this is a just mind change. Okay, there can be changing of your mind. Whenever I will change your mind, you will purchase definitely, because you that will come in your mind कि भैया ये तो cheaper है, हाँ 500 का है, store price 350 है. So that means ki market price 500 and product price of this particular store is 350. It means immediately that will come in your mind ki 150 rupees you're saving. It means ki your saving will be 150. It can be useful for your future prospects, future purchasing, right? So this intuition in your mind, suppose whenever that will come in your mind ki my saving of today is 150 on specific this product. So immediately you will purchase on that. So the thing is that how we have to deliver this thing, deliver patterns, sales technique. Again, postmodern criticism, and when I think criticism is must, you should be accept criticism, but we should avoid it for a particular time period. Okay, we should not focus on that. So right now we can say this is a marketing stunt, key feedback, grievances, customer care and so on. So these are the platforms where we can do that. Suppose what is our grievances, what we have, suppose feedback. Feedback can be possible maybe negative or maybe positive. So anchor build on other ideas. जैसे आपको मैंने बोला था plan A, plan B, plan C. Similarly, we should focus the same on same time plan B, plan C, plan D. If plan A is failed, so we should we can focus on the other plans also. Encourage crazy ideas. जैसे I think this is a crazy idea. मतलब कि ये catching words. khaterao.com या jaica.com. Okay, इंश्योरेंस देखो पॉलिसी बाजार का ऐड आता है पेपर में, तो दैट मींस की पॉलिसी बाजार.com. Similarly, insurance देखो means when we have required something new plan, new schemes, then policydekho.com या insurance देखो. तो policydekho.com में summarize कर दे policy. It means की which policy is concerned, monetary policy, fiscal policy, insurance policy, which policy. तो point should be clear. Means ki what we can say, it should be clear. So it means ki insurancedekho.com, it is sufficient for you, for the society. It means ki we are delivering the services through insurance.com, only specific insurance sector, not I think pharma sector, not I think concern for the FMCG sector. So encourage crazy ideas, work with the deadline. Forever we should focus on the initial stage and your time limit, your deadline. Event will be it will be complete. So this is a mind maps ki Tony One ki who has extensively studied mind maps suggest that following guidelines ki start with the central theme at the center of the sheet. मैंने already आपसे discuss किया हुआ है कि you should focus and you should be keep in center stage of public interest, beneficiary, user, customers. So you should keep in central stage to that guys. Suppose it means I am confident, I am clear cut कि this idea can be used by suppose A class या B class या C class. Okay, it can be possible कि I think age wise, class wise, it depends on you. It means it will depends as per your idea concerned. What are the ideas concerned? So start with the central theme at the center of the sheet. Show associations and use emphasis where necessary. Use different colored pens for coding the mind map. I think you know well, whenever we have participate in the examination, so we carry two type or three type the pen. I think a sketch pen, maybe some ball pens, some maybe some ink pen, and so on. And headings should be, I mean, explained by you in different colors, and detail of the answering of the questions in different colors. Okay, whenever we have to draw some chart, some pic in with the different colors. So it depends on that. Suppose this is a mind mapping. Okay, mind mapping is how we have to and show differently with colors, with the with the colors, with the design, with shapes, and so on. So that can be possible. Different pens, different size, different colors, and so on. Symbols, signs, images were appropriate. अभी just मैंने आपको बोला कि whenever I drive my car, so I saw and I think and I seen sightseeing. It may be possible some signboards, some presentation, some presentable of the signboards, some theme, some punchline, some tagline, some delivery of the content, some shape, and so on. So it can be possible. It can be some possible the signs and symbols and so on. Suppose this PPT, though this PPT can be designed by me, suppose in different colors and different shape. Okay. So somebody will, whenever somebody will, prepare the PPT, that will be decided as per her or his interest. He will show in different manners. So that means possible to different shape and design and colors. So I think construct it clearly and neatly so it can be understood later. Develop a style of presentation you are comfortable with. So that may be possible key whenever you have to deliver or present your idea. So presentable your idea can be discussed maybe later. And I think you have to focus on 7 points and how we have to deliver this proposal and how we have to deliver the presentation with these points will be discussed in later. Again, something. Hello, how much time, ma'am? Hello.
10 minutes more, sir. 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, fine. So preliminary research means cost structure, market, HR, government, technology, and all of you know well. There's no meaningful discussion with you regarding this topic. Business idea evaluation exercise. This is your basic idea bank. That means your thought process. Okay, that means your thought process and which idea can come out with your brain. Suppose with your ideas. That's your lab. So you see your thinking process, your thought process, your idea bank is concerned. Decision matrix analysis depends on the key how we could decide in different manners. At that means different aspects. Again, pair comparison analysis. Suppose you can compare with the facts and figures. Whenever we have no figures, no information, I can't that. Okay. So that is key. Whenever we have to compare with that, we should carry with figures and suppose and facts. Then we have to come up. Then we can compare with the key. This is better than others. It can be better in a position. It can be better in features. It can be better in look wise, and so on. So again, your 5 Qs. And these are the 5 Qs key, which is the market segment already discussed with you. Key, which is the market segment that is being targeted. Depends on you, key rural area, urban area, metro city, town, villages, and so on. What is a business model? Your model is concerned, your tool, your application, your model, your thought process, your your idea submission, and so on. How big is your market? Key, how big is your market? Means key at already discussed with you key starting you can focus only one location and one sector. I am discussing with you suppose in town or in village in one location only image. And then secondly we have to focus on maybe expand another state or another sector also. And how can you protect your business? Means ki how your business can be protected by something new aspect, new machinery, new tools, new thinking processing. And next one key, what are you getting out of it and what are you getting from that processing? So it means suppose this is a entrepreneurial motivation. This is the model. I think you see idea, personal goals, personal characteristics depends on you key what is your personal goal. Somebody may become a IAS officer, somebody become a bank PO, somebody may become a good manager. So depends on that key which is which type the strategy, which type the mindset. Key, what are the mindset can be considered for the betterment tomorrow. So that may be your personal goals and personal characteristics, what we have in terms of the ability, what we have in terms of your talent, your skill. Okay, so it can be converted as your entrepreneurial motivation. So I just imagine कि suppose आपका ये खेलो इंडिया या खेला होवे, तो खेला होवे just created by कि some particular party in particular state only for a particular time period. Now that was very popular during that elections. Okay, so again somebody's I'm just touching the a theme, not political purpose, that only just create the thinking processing. Ki just touching the point ki khela hove now so popular in whole country. Okay, whole country and all states, majority of the states. So that will be possible ki which catch line, which tagline, which wording, which statement can make me popular. So somebody can say khela hove just a the entrepreneur tool. It can be used for the only for the something hardcore decision. So it can be part of the entrepreneur skills. So idea, again, your expectations. My expectation ki my idea can be successful, then maybe possibly within 3 years, 3 or 4 years. Okay, so entrepreneur motivation is interlinked with the environment. Entrepreneur motivation is interlinked with the environment. What if the environment is over there? Environment is concerned means your healthy environment, the political environment. No, environment should be, I think, positive or negative. Environment is concerned somebody is in a position to accept it or not. Okay, if not, then what we can change? So environment is focusing on not micro and macro. Environment is totally depends on the positive thinking and negative thinking, because only two aspects your product can be successful. Maybe I think somebody will accept or somebody will reject. If somebody will reject, then we have to again think. Thinking process will start. What is the reason? Why is not acceptable? So again we have to think again and again. That can be reprocessing. Okay, and transformation processing will start. So we have to focus on the two aspects. One is your positive and second your negative. And on environment is concerned, the entrepreneur motivation is concerned, entrepreneur activity. Activity is concerned, I think already discussed with you. Key uniqueness, newness, your idea submission, your implementation, your product, your services, your delivery patterns. So expectations, match, and outcomes. Outcomes means suppose that's your final product or your final services. Okay, and key bankers are providing you services. So which I think if I have account in Punjab National Bank, okay, and you have account in SBI. So I will quote ki Punjab National Bank is so friendly. That means user friendly. So that means possibly Punjab National Bank ki jis branch mein mera account hai, it can be that branch especially a very friendly relation. Okay, not all the branches of the PNB Bank. So that can be quoted by somebody else. No. SBI is much better than PNB. So on which ground you can say ki SBI is better than PNB? Because ki SBI has some different functions. Okay, and that functions don't have PNB in PNB suppose. So PNB don't have this function and SBI have this function. So on functional activities, on services point of view, or maybe some features, so it can be possible that these features are add-on in SBI and these features are not in PNB services. So that can be your outcome. Outcome may be possible in terms of your satisfaction. Satisfaction is concerned, your satisfaction level is concerned, you're 100% satisfied or 95% satisfied or 85% satisfied. Okay. In statistics, we can say that means our saturation point will concern as a 95%. If you see and if we say I am 100% satisfied, it means your level of satisfaction is concerned that is a significance level. Suppose that is 95%. So level of significance is concerned, there's a 95% and 95% you can say yes, I am 100% satisfied. Okay. So again, only one last slide. So outcome that means successful recognition. Recognition means suppose starting, I think your topic was the tips for successful reason successful certification via startup. Suppose so education, prior knowledge of markets and customer problems. Again, experience, personal experience, work experience. Already this I think discuss आप सोच चुके हैं. So again, your networks, entrepreneurs, alertness, prior knowledge, outcome successful opportunity recognitions. And you see recently, before 2 days, Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the founder of Paytm, okay, was so popular right now, not earlier one. The reason even that when we have to share something in society, in a company, it can be some for a second, for a moment, it may become a successful result. So success can be achieved within a second, within a minute, depends on the processing of the delivery of the idea. Okay, so outcome successful opportunity recognition, it can be defined of your identity. Your identity is interlinked with your ideation, and ideation is interlinked with your idea. So whenever your idea processing is concerned in the right manner with investigation, innovation, and suppose implementation, so a long journey of that particular startup. Right now we can say कि Vijay Shekhar Sharma is so popular of Paytm. Okay, so that means the outcome can be successful within a minute, within a second, but it can be based on long journey. It can be efforts, your I think hard work, and so on. So again, I think thank you very much. And before thank you, I would like to say some points basically. Just a minute. Yeah, so now we have 7 points. First point is concerned, we have to focus on conceptual note. This is the primary concept. Primary concept note means suppose we have to draw conceptual note. It can be carried by you in one page only, in one page. Okay, conceptual note. Second, I think you know the introduction of your conceptual note. How we have to deliver this idea. Next, your marketing strategy. Marketing strategy means will cover up with your location, your size of the market, potential of the customers, marketing research, and so on. That your marketing strategy. Okay, this is the third point. Next point is your cost model. Cost model means suppose how we have to, I think, carry the expenses of your expense on your product, on your ideas. So we have to focus on the main major expense of your idea. That means your advertisement. Advertisement is huge expenditure. Okay, so maybe suppose your idea's total cost is hardly 1.5 lakh. So you can see ki around 8 to 10 lakhs will be add on as only advertisement cost. Okay, because this is a processing of your delivery. I think some awareness through advertisement, print media, social media. Okay, so another point is your I think expenses advertisement. So that will be your part of the cost model. Another part of the cost model that suppose your website, software, okay, and printing material, models, design, and so on. And third is I think and again costing is concerned your IPR. IPR is very essential tool. Whenever your idea is not registered in concerned authority, okay, it means your idea can be captured by somebody else. So before going to market, your idea should be registered in at the proper in concerned authority with the IPR. Okay, so IPR costing is also a part of your cost model. Next one, your revenue model. I think the cost model is 15 lakhs. So 15 lakhs will be recovered. How much time will you take? 3 years, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. Okay. So whenever we have, draw this line as per step by step for 3 years, every 6 months, what we can do add on, what we can expand the market strategy. So money will come from which source? Okay, so just idea just you can create one group of 4 and 5%. Okay, why? It means it can be helpful for your initial, at initial stage to implement your ideas. Okay, so that may be possible whenever we have 5 friends, it means somebody will cooperate in finance, somebody will cooperate in marketing, only in thinking process. The financial, marketing, HR, IT, and I suppose. So whenever we have 5 friends, somebody may become a leader and 4 friends will be subordinate to each other. Okay, so that means your idea can be successful. Again, we have to find out which is the success rate and how can we achieve this rate. So next point was revenue model, and revenue model will be covered up by you. Key means ki money will come after 6 months, then after 6 months, then after 6 months. No. First of all, you have to invest your money. It means ki starting 1 to 2 years, you invest your money. Okay, you can invest your money only in this project. This project can be successful, and successful will decide as per your delivery pattern. Okay, so that will be your revenue model. And the next one is your break-even point. The break-even analysis is concerned कि somebody will ask, ठीक है भाई कि how much time will you take, and when will you, in a position of the revenue or in profit margin. So you will define the break-even point will cover up, will be achieved maybe 1.5 years, maybe 2 years, because now the two concerned कि one is your innovator, second is investor. Okay, so 5 friends suppose of your group. So initial stage we have to contribute total cost 15 lakhs your total cost, and 20% of your total cost can be contributed by yourself. It means कि 15 lakhs का around suppose आपका लगभग 3 lakh, so 3 lakhs rupees contribute to each one of you. It means कि 5%, so 60,000 rupees can be contributed easily, okay, to each one of you to initial this project. Second thing, if you have no funds, no problem. At that moment, there are so many organizations, so many chapters are over here, and they are eager to invest the money. But your idea should be, wonderful. Your idea should be unique. Your idea should be newness. So whenever idea is wonderful, it means the third party will take a risk to invest the money in a project. So don't worry. I think the break-even analysis will decide your path, your journey, and your successful rate. Your idea can be successful maybe after 1.5 years, maybe immediate after 6 months, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years. And after 3 years, I think your revenue will start. If your points are ready and okay and up to the mark, it means that after 3 years, you will get revenue in terms of the profit, in terms of the profit margin. So initially stage, third and fourth stage pe aapka jo margin, your margin will be very less. So whenever you have to cover up beyond 3 to 5 years, so at the moment of the 3 to 5 years, every year your profit margin will be increased. Okay, so don't worry ki immediately we have to invest 50 lakhs, immediately we want 10% return from that suppose investment. There's no any business in India, okay, and depends on your small vendors, medium vendors, and large vendors. So investors are ready to invest the money. The thing is, and the problem is that only the investor should be happy with you regarding your idea, and your idea should be wonderful. So that's why investor can be easily take risk in your project. Okay, and apart from that, beyond the investor, and some agencies, some organizations are also working on that. Okay. So if you have any, clarity, suppose in future, if you have any idea regarding how we implement this. Yeah, third, next point that means as I'm leading here as a incubation center. So whenever you have, you feel free, you may come over here to check the, you check the points where we can, fill in the gaps. Okay, so that will be incubation center can be helpful. I think first your funding support from your family, your friends. Second, your funding support, suppose as your investor, right? And third, your funding support from agencies or organization. Fourth, funding support from the ministries, and ministry easily will not support you in financial. Very clear. Ministries, I think, just only for advertisement, only just some pumping show. We will create funds, we will giving funds, nothing like that. We are on papers only, and we are waiting 1.5 years only to get the money. And whenever my bosses are asking when money will come, I say straightforward, money will not come. Money will not come from ministry. Money will be generated by me, by you, by us, and money will be generated by us in terms of the good idea. good idea, it can be possible your success rate. So fourth, your funding agencies are concerned your investors. Investor in the same corporate chapters. Today's every, chambers, every, and SIRF is also chamber. SIRF is also a chamber, and I associated with that, suppose. So that means ki like SIRF, PID, CCI, ki SOCHAM, different chambers are over here, ICC. So different chambers are in a position right now to cooperate you, to support you in terms of the finance. But condition, condition is very clear. Your idea should be wonderful. Your idea should be unique. If your idea will not be unique, nobody will take risk to invest the money in your project. So with these words, again, I would like to thank you, Professor Suniti, to invite me for this occasion. Okay, and any doubt, any queries, please raise your voice. Any
Thank
question?
you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Now the forum is open for question and answer session.
Yeah.
If anyone has any questions, then please drop your questions in the chat box.
Any questions from student side? Sir, I have one question, sir.
Please, ma'am, please.
Sir, at the time of, at the stage of idea generation, how we can get the feasibility test done of the idea, sir? What
You
are the procedure to get the feasibility test done, sir?
you see, you can go through in Google, basically Google, and what is the idea can be generated by you regarding some which sector. If you have something, we are focusing on the agriculture sector or maybe some finance sector, so we have to explore something new in finance sector with the help of the bankers, with the help of the suppose something new, because still we have no any software, still we have no any website. Okay, so we can't imagine that it can be possible. Whenever I just export something, you see, whenever you have to create something, your idea, then it can be exported by the Google, not any software, any model, any website.
Okay, sir. So that means we can communicate and contact with the institution supporting the entrepreneurship. We can take the help of those institutions to get the feasibility test done, sir.
Yeah, you can check the website of the MSME, especially MSME website, skillindia.com, and you can see investors.com. So investor line hai, investor.com, skillindia.com, startup India, and MSME. Generally, the bunch of ideas, it should be delivered. It can be delivered. It will be in pipelines in the account of the MSME. So MSME is a grand, can say idea bank, grand idea bank. Second thing I would like to address, every ministry is working right now with the idea submission, not MSME, every ministry, because idea is required for every ministry, and we have to implement idea for betterment of the society. You see the Nitin Gadkari department, road and transport. Okay, you can see agriculture, you can see defense. So some ideas are helpful in defense sector. How it can be possible? So that means it is not why that means this, there's no any website, there's no any organization. It can be focused on that sector-wise, defense, road and transport, agriculture. You see pharma, healthcare, and so on. So you can explore something like that. And some organization are working, like your NISBAD, like WASMI, like EDI, like IIA. So these bodies are working with current ideas. So that can be export something which idea is going on. Whenever we have something, I export something new and export by a website. This is going on or not. So I get it, this is new. There's no working right now. So it can be possibly a new idea. You see khateraho.com, still there's no website. Khateraho.com, Jaica.com, there's no working right now. Okay, so that means Zomato was working, but Jaica.com was not working. Okay, so you can just create this idea. Similarly, Khelo India Khelo. So Khelo India Khelo is already government of India is working on that side. ठीक है, खेला होवे, तो खेला होवे not right now website, not as a platform regarding something product, something delivery. So खेला होवे is so popular as a punchline, as a tagline of that election point of view. Okay, so some party play the game, play the punchline. So it can be possible as something website, something the software, something you see apps, etc.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
So there's
Sir, if
another
you are
question in the
preparing a
chat box.
business plan, if you are preparing a business plan, how much means the predictive analysis is more important, even predictive and monetary counting is important before starting anything?
Business plan basically just like a structure of your idea. Business plan, before we have to discuss with you, like you see ki is compiling all the components, concept note, again introduction, again marketing, again finance, again revenue model, your cost model, your break even. So this whole structure will be known as business plan, right? And within this plan, we have to focus on the business canvas, business model. Which model can be introduced by you? So which model can be introduced by you in terms of the sector and industry? And that industry, that sector is working right now on that model or not? If not, then you can add on. You can introduce your model. If that is working, that means existing point. Then you can add on something new feature. You can change delivery pattern of this model. In that case, you can say this is innovation. Innovation, identify itself is something new for what? Something delivery pattern, something design, something structure, something name, and so on. Okay, so whole structure will be known as business plan. Plan basically, how we have to by processing, ideation of idea. So ideation is just like a process of the business plan. Business plan, whenever we have plan, whenever we have idea, but we have not concerned cost. We are not concerned the revenue. So investor will not take risk. Investor will not, entertain with you, because investor wants clear-cut questions. If your question is clear, then answer should also be clear. If your question is, some confusing, so answer should also be confusing. So that means what we can do. So we can do this. This is my idea. This is my idea for this class, for this location, for this point of time, for this benefit. So if I can if I am successful in explanation, I am working on that idea for this domain, for this class, it means my idea can be successful. If I say I don't know my idea will be successful or not, depends on time, depends on 2 years. After 2 years, I can say yes, my idea is successful. Nobody will take risk. Nobody will take interest in your idea, because your response should be successful convincing power. अगर आप perfect हैं convince करने में, clear cut हैं, it means your idea can be successful. Everyone want to get successful rate. If your rate is short, investor will take interest. If your interest rate of interest, your successful rate will be longer, nobody will take risk. Am I right or no? So you see, a lot of the examples are over here. A lot of the examples. I think basic example. You see Samsung S series. Samsung S series. Now we have to introduce new mobile phone, same company, with the competition the Oppo, Vivo, because we are beating to that companies. Okay, so we have to introduce new features with new model, with new color, with new new apps, suppose new technology. So that's why the cost of Samsung is so cheaper than Oppo. So Samsung is branded. Am I right? No. The same thing of Samsung for which class? Samsung maybe middle class. Middle class means middle-aged person. Oppo and Vivo is so popular for, I mean, youngsters, college guys, because they want cheapest price, maximum features. So my point is concerned कि actual में who will be the user and how much be the percent of the user of that particular product. I have mobile phone and I never uses the 70% of this function of this mobile phone. So I and you, as I assume कि everybody person to use the functioning of the mobile phone hardly 15 to 20%. 15 to 20%. But youngsters, would like to use maximum feature of the mobile phone. This is the difference between both. Somebody 40 plus, somebody 20 plus. So 20 plus guys would like more uses of the mobile phone at first latest features of the mobile sectors. But 40 plus guys would not like to use this maximum percentage more than 20%. Because they have no time. They have no time. They have already a lot of the problems in family, in society, in personal, in professional. So they are not bothered for that. Youngsters, your college guys are so, very encouraging and very interesting to use these services. Because they are interesting for what? They are interesting to use it future prospects regarding career, regarding educational, regarding professional. So how we can use these services? How can we use these techniques of delivery, presentation and so on? But in my case, I can't present on mobile phone. My presentation will be held on laptop. The same case here, 50 plus person will not, I would not like to present on through mobile phone. But youngsters would like to present over there. So the thinking that means which is the difference between both class wise or maybe some extreme wise. Yeah. Any other question?
So there's a question from Pulkit Jain.
Yeah.
In an organization, while we are on the path of idea generation and decision making, but before this, how I decide that who will I need on my team?
I think Pulkit, good question. I think, and my answer only for this question very short and already discussed with you in detail. Every company, every organization is exploring the ways for new coming in the market. Answer is very simple: to existing in the market. Otherwise, you will go out of the market. Okay, to identify yourself where we can do work, where we have to introduce new model, new product, new services. Okay, every company, every organization, even you and me, everybody is working on for, go ahead, for future prospects. Okay, so that means everybody thinking process. Now process is concerned you see example, BPL India, BPL India, Philips, Oneda, Uptron, where is right now? Am I right or no? Philips is working, but I think Surya, Bajaj, where is? Onida, Jolie, Western, Uptron, where is? Thinking process will be start from the day one. कहते हैं जब हमने सोच लिया कि हमें तो सब कुछ आता है, हमें तो आगे पढ़ने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, तो वहीं से हमारा डिक्लाइनिंग शुरू हो जाता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि आज का हमने टुडेज मार्केट हैज कैप्चर्ड, but tomorrow who will capture the market? So right now, and you see examples of two companies, that is one is Pepsi and second is Coca-Cola. Where is Coca-Cola? Am I right or no? Is it right? So that means for the company point of view, we have to explore every time something new regarding for future demand of the product in the market. And that will give you indication in existing in the market. Get my answer, Pulkit? Are you satisfied with me or not?
Thank you so much, sir.
Well,
And now I would like to request Dr. Suniti ma'am to present vote of thanks for the day.
Good morning to all. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this eventful day. I, on behalf of BCIPS fraternity, my deep regard and deep thankful to Dr. Rajiv Johri sir for gracing and sharing your valuable thoughts about idea generation. Entrepreneurship need to search purposeful for the source of innovation and idea generation. The change their symptoms, and you have to understand, indicate opportunity for a successful innovation. We are greatly encouraged by your gracious presence and immensely benefit by your well-informed suggestion about entrepreneurship, opportunity, innovative ideas, and these all things are very important to start a new venture. So thank you, sir. I convey my deep regards to our director, ma'am, Dr. Aparna Mishra, and my fellow members, fellow faculty members for their encouragement and support. We have been extremely fortunate to be able to draw upon a willing support of our ED cell students who have extended their wholehearted initiative and support at every step and made the task easier and great success. Thanks to all students. Thank you all for participating and thanks for being with us. Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So we are going to wind up the session. Thanks, sir.